Hello, I'm super excited to meet you. I'm Blooming Morin, your money coach, and I specialize in coaching individuals and organizations on how to effectively manage their finances. Specifically, I enjoy creating educational and informative content on crypto and stock investing, and I'm committed to helping you take control of your money matters. My website, bloomingumorin.com, is a treasure trove of educational resources which includes tutorials, courses, and other helpful tools that are designed to make your investing experience as hassle free as possible. If you're new to the world of crypto investing, I highly recommend checking out my crypto ebook, The Crypto Beginner's Guide. This comprehensive guide is packed with 10 step by step lessons that covers everything from the basics of crypto to buying your first coin and developing a profitable investment strategy. With this guide in your hand, you will be able to invest with confidence and ease. And don't let fear or uncertainty hold you back any longer. Head on to my website and get a copy of the Crypto Beginner's Guide and share it also with your friends to help them achieve financial freedom. Let's work together to transform you from a crypto novice to a savvy investor. But wait, there is still more. For a personalized investing experience, I also offer one-on-one coaching sessions. During this session, I'll tailor each meeting to your unique financial goals and needs and guide you step by step on becoming a confident investor in no time. So, what are you waiting for? Visit bloomingomorin.com right away to start your investing journey with confidence, and let's work together to achieve your financial goal and secure your future. Until then, I'm Blooming Morin, your money coach.